Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android customization app. It's called as Bottom Quick Setting. It's so useful if you are just using your phone on one hand. It's called Bottom Quick Setting. You can access your Wi-Fi and every settings from the bottom section by like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the Bottom Quick Setting application from the Play Store first. Then you have a lot of options and features here. You can see this is a bottom quick setting. You can just use it on one hand by swiping. You can just enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and every option you just needed. So, and also the brightness. You can just click on open the application. You can just add more tiles by using active and inactive things. And here you can also add more sliders like media volume, ring volume, like that. You have a lot of theme. If you just need it, you can just apply it. You can also customize the tile style, handle adjustment. You can adjust the handle size and length by this. You can see and also there is a lot of bottom status bar. If you just need it, you can just use it. You can just enable it. You can see this is how it's look like. You can just enable or disable. And also there is an option to notification and extra things. Extra options are here. You can just swipe like this, and again you can easily use this like this, and you can just easily use this. But you can have a super scale. You can just use it on one hand. It's simply so useful for you. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.